given in this question the input voltage VDC, it is VDC of the buck boost converter shown below. This is buck boost converter. Thus input voltage VDC varies from 32 to 72 volt. That means VDC varies from 32 volt to 72 volt. Okay, fine. Assume that all components are ideal. That means diode, capacitor, resistor, inductor are ideal. Okay. Inductor current is continuous. So, even inductor current IL is equals to continuous. That means inductor current is equals to ripple field. Okay, fine. And output voltage is ripple field. The output voltage is ripple field. Even the output voltage is ripple field. The range of the duty ratio alpha of the converter for which the magnitude of steady state output voltage remain constant. Okay, at 48 volt. Okay, so we calculate range of alpha, that means duty ratio when takes at VDC is equals to 32 volt and VDC equals to take 72 volt. Okay, so we know the buck boost converter is given. So we know the buck boost converter output voltage V0 is equals to minus of alpha into VDC divided by 1 minus alpha. This is alpha means duty ratio, VDC means input voltage and output voltage is V0. So this given in this question, output voltage direction upward, but we take the output voltage direction downward. That's why we take the output voltage is minus V0. Minus V0 equals to minus of alpha VDC divided by 1 minus alpha. So V0 is given, so 48 volt is constant all time. So this is minus or minus cancel out is equal to positive. So V0 equals to 48 volt. So given V0 equals to 48 volt constant. So we put the 48 volt V0 is equals to alpha into VDC. VDC takes at 32 volt. Okay, first time we take at 32 volt. VDC take 32 volt. Okay, so VDC alpha into 32 volt. Alpha into 32 volt divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, so 48, 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 32. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 3 alpha is equals to 2 alpha. So 5 alpha is equals to 3. Alpha is equals to 3 by 5. When at VDC equals to 32 volt. Okay, when take VDC equals to 32 volt, so alpha we calculated 3 by 5. So now again at takes VDC is equals to 72 volt. VDC equals to 72 volt. 72 volt. So put this equation VDC equals to 72. So V0 equals to constant all time, that is 48 volt. So V0 equals to 48 is equals to alpha into VDC is then 72 volt. 72 divided by 1 minus alpha. So 24 the 48 24 into 3 are 72. So 72. So 2 alpha minus 2 minus 2 alpha is equals to 3 alpha. Fine. 5 alpha is equals to 2. Alpha equals to 2 by 5. So at VDC is equals to 72 volt. So when takes VDC equals to 32 volt, alpha gets 3 by 5. And when get VDC equals to 72 volt, alpha is equals to 2 by 5. So range of alpha. So calculate the range of duty ratio alpha. So range of alpha range is equals to, so alpha range ki 3 by 5 alpha range when VDC equals to 32 volt and alpha 2 by 5 when VDC equals to 72 volt. So alpha range 2 by 5 less than equals to alpha less than equals to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So when VDC equals to low value, alpha is high, and VDC equals to high value, alpha gets low. Okay. So alpha range 2 by 5 less than equals to alpha less than equals to 3 by 5. Thank you.